Hi guys, today I have a cool feature that I want to show you that you never took notice of. Now whether you have actual use for it or you want to beef up your bragging rights, I can assure you, it is pretty cool. My name is JD and welcome to Excel in 3. Everyone knows that you can sort your data using columns. But did you know that you can sort your data using rows as well? Let me quickly show you how. Here I have a list of salespeople for a car sales dealership and the different cars they have sold for the past year. Now for this example I want to quickly see, for Ford cars, who sold the most down to who sold the least. Here are the steps to follow. Click Data. Click the Data Sort icon. You will note in the pop-up that the default option is columns as shown here. Now we want to change this to rows. Now click on Options. Under Orientation you choose left to right. Click OK. You will notice the orientation here changes from columns to rows. Choose which row you want to sort by from the drop-down menu. In this case you can see that Ford is in row 13, therefore I choose 13. Choose what feature in the row you want to sort by. I choose Values. Choose whether you want to sort from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Since I want the most to the least, I will choose largest to smallest. Click OK. There you go. Our data is sorted by the rows. Note that we have actually pulled Johnny and all his data to the leftmost position. You will also note that row 13 is now in descending order. So our salespeople are now sorted according to the sales they made on Ford cars. Pretty cool, right? Now let's see in the comments section how many people knew this feature. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell for more of these Excel tips and tricks.